December 27th had a headline of sales of homes up 14% from a year ago. It says the steady prices in November offset interest rate hikes and lure many buyers into the housing market. And that is so true. It's an amazing seller's market. Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Giordano of Master Brokers. We are wrapping up 2024, so Happy New Year to everybody out there. And it's going to be a really awesome 2025. So I'd like to talk about where interest rates are today. That seems to be the talk of the town. Also, a great article recently in the San Jose Mercury News. It was the headlines regarding real estate, which real estate continues to be a hot topic. And then I will talk about the inventory I've got coming in. We're rolling right into 2025. We'll talk about the incredible sale I had on Friday on Galindo Court. So let's dive into interest rates. As you know, the Feds dropped the discount rate last week by 0.25%. That hasn't changed too much with the mortgage lending rates. Let me tell you where they're at today. A 30-year fixed conforming rate, which is up to $809,000 for the conforming rate, is at 7%. And then the 15-year fixed conforming rate is at 6.625. The jumbo rates, which are loans above that, are coming also in at 7%, which is interesting. They're about the same for a 30-year. And a 15-year fixed is very nice at 6.375. So there are variable rate mortgages, but you might want to consider, as you're buying or thinking about getting pre-approved, look at that fixed rate, because if interest rates fall next year, what they're expected to, you can always refinance that loan and bring that rate down to a lower rate. So that's just an option for you at this time. San Jose Mercury News on December 27th had a headline of sales of homes up 14% from a year ago. It says the steady prices in November offset interest rate hikes and lure many buyers into the housing market. And that is so true. It's an amazing seller's market. I just put into contract 949 Galindo Court in Milpitas. That was last Friday. That's that beautiful large Chappelle home in Hillcrest area, 3389 square feet. It's in the Sinnott Elementary School. It did need some remodel. It was in great condition. The sellers took beautiful care of it, but it was outdated. So it did need some upgrades and remodeling. We went in with the price point of $3,189,000. We got 3 offers, and it's closing at $3,294,000. So almost $100,000 over the list price. So that we picked the right price point for that home. And pricing is really important and key in this marketplace. Let me tell you what we've got coming up. So we're prepping and getting ready in a couple weeks, the open house for 1697 Big Bend Drive in Milpitas. That's in the Parktown area. It's near parks. It's the Rose Elementary School. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1451 square feet. We're finishing up the painting inside. It's going to have freshly refinished hardwood floors. They're the original hardwood floors from the builder, so they're beautiful. And then a new carpet in the living room and the family room. By the way, on this particular home, the kitchen had some upgraded countertops and the appliances were upgraded, but the cabinets were still old. They were the old cabinets. So we've painted those white and freshened it up with new hardware. So I can't wait for you to see the video on that. Look at the photos online after we clean it and stage it, and that should look really, really nice. So the price point on that one is $1,598,888. We'll be having that open Saturday, Sunday on the, let me get the dates right, July 18th and July 19th from 2 to 4. I'll be there. And then the following Sunday, we'll run another couple-hour open house to bring in anybody that wants to see a second look or hadn't seen it that weekend. And then we'll have offers due that Tuesday. So that one should be a really great property. And then coming up soon, 390 Monmouth Drive. That's also in Milpitas in an established neighborhood. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 1775 square foot home. Only has a 1-car garage, but it is enclosed. But the home, again, it's going to need updating. And the price point is $1,698,888. If it's anything like the Woodland Drive or Woodland Way property in Milpitas that I'm closing next week, that was our price point for that one. And we ended up with $260,000 over list on Woodland. We're closing that at $1,960,000. So I think Monmouth, I don't know if we won't get that price, but I think we might do something better than the asking price on that one. That's just where the market's going right now. It's unbelievable. And then right behind that one, we've got 1908 Grand Teton Drive in Milpitas. That's in the Parktown area again. It's in the Standard Pacific development of homes. So there's high ceilings, kind of a newer look than the Parktown area. I think the homes are about 10 to 15 years newer than the Parktown area. But it's one street of homes in a quiet neighborhood, quiet court, near a park, and 1 block walking distance to Sinnott Elementary. That one on Grand Teton is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's been a long-time owner that's had that. It's nicely kept, could probably use some updating, but we'll leave that up to the buyer to do. And the price point on that is $1,975,000. So she should do very, very well on that. We'll look to get that one ready around February or March. And then 1305 Sunrise Way, also in Milpitas, that's in the Pines. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a family room, a little over 1,500 square feet. That one has been remodeled. It's very, very good condition. Waiting for the seller to go ahead and move everything out. We'll do a full clean and then a staging on that. We won't do any other upgrades or anything else on that. And then also coming up soon behind that one is 522 South 22nd Street in San Jose. That is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath townhome. It's really nice. It was built in 2017. It's in the downtown area. It's got a 2-car enclosed garage. Very nice, very, very nice property. And the price point is only $1,198,888. So that one should be really, really awesome. If you're looking for an entry level, much better to buy something like that than to rent a property. And I'll let you know when that one is going to come available. I'll meet the sellers this Sunday and we'll get a timeline together, on that one. So that's about it. I've also got another one that I'm working on. It's on Sepulveda Avenue in Milpitas. It's in the Foothill Estates. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, really an expanded, amazing home, 2,500 square feet. Those folks are moving into Southern California, but we don't have a date on that. That'll be around $2.5 million, and I think they're going to do very, very well, seeing what we did on Galindo Court this past weekend. So same situation. Anyway, if you want to get your home ready, I'm ready for you. Working right through to the beginning of the new year and then some. Give me a call at 408-945-8988 or giordanodj@aol.com. Have a happy new year. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.